Hi everyone, welcome back to the Vietnamese Recipes channel. Today, I'll show you how to make a dish that's incredibly popular and loved not only in Thailand, but also here in Vietnam, mango sticky rice. This delightful dessert combines the creamy sweetness of coconut cream, the luscious flavor of ripe mangoes, and the fragrant, chewy texture of glutinous rice, creating a truly unique and irresistible culinary experience. Started. For sticky rice, we use glutinous rice, which is different from regular rice. Start by soaking the washed rice in water for at least 4 hours. Personally, I prefer soaking it for 7 to 8 hours to make it soft. In Vietnam, we have various types of glutinous rice, and you can use any of them. Today, I'm using Nep Nhung, but other varieties like Nep Khai Hoa Vang or Nep Nuong Dien Bien also work wonderfully. Once soaked, place the rice in a soft cloth with small holes, which makes it easy to handle during steaming. This prevents the rice from sticking to the steamer and ensures it cooks evenly. Poke a few holes in the rice to allow the steam to escape. Fill a pot with water up to about 1/4 of the height of the steamer. Bring it to a boil, then place the steamer with the rice on top. Cover and steam the rice over medium heat for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take the rice out, fluff it gently, and let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes before steaming it a second time. Steaming twice ensures the rice stays soft and chewy even if it cools down. While the rice cools, let's prepare the coconut sauce, which is the soul of this dish. It adds a creamy, rich flavor to complement the rice and mango. For the sauce, you'll need 360 milliliters canned coconut cream, 35 grams sugar, 3 grams tapioca starch. Adjust the sugar to your taste if you prefer it sweeter. Combine the coconut cream and sugar in a pan and heat it over low heat, stirring constantly. Be careful not to use high heat, as this can cause the coconut cream to separate and develop a burnt smell. When it starts to simmer, mix the tapioca starch with a bit of water and slowly add it to the sauce. Stir continuously and cook for another minute until it thickens slightly. Once done, turn off the heat and let it cool. The finished sauce should be mildly sweet, rich with a coconut aroma, and have a smooth consistency that enhances the dish. Now that the rice has cooled, we'll add some ingredients to make it even more fragrant, shiny, and delicious. I'll mix the rice with 40 milliliters coconut cream, 10 milliliters cooking oil, 50 milliliters unsweetened fresh milk, 5 grams of salt, 30 grams sugar. Gently combine these ingredients with the rice. Trust me, this step makes the rice glossy, fragrant, and absolutely irresistible. Bring the water in the steamer to a boil again, adding a few pandan leaves for extra fragrance. Place the rice back in the steamer, cover, and steam over medium heat for another 25 to 30 minutes. After the second steaming, the rice should be fragrant, sticky, and shiny. The grains will hold their shape perfectly without becoming mushy. To serve, prepare the accompaniments: ripe, juicy mangoes, roasted peanuts, shredded coconut, and toasted sesame seeds. Slice the mangoes into small pieces and arrange them on a plate. Add a portion of sticky rice next to the mango slices, drizzle generously with the coconut sauce, and sprinkle peanuts, sesame seeds, and shredded coconut on top. You can also serve extra coconut sauce in a small bowl for dipping. And there, you have it, a gorgeous plate of mango sticky rice. This dish is not only visually stunning with its vibrant yellow mango and glossy rice, but also delightfully rich in flavor. The natural sweetness of the mango pairs beautifully with the creamy coconut sauce and chewy rice. Give it a try and enjoy this fantastic dessert with your loved ones. Thank you for watching my mango sticky rice tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Good luck and happy cooking!